I literally just stumbled across this. I'm in Busch Gardens, by the way. I guess that would be a little more helpful. I wonder what all this is about. Whoa. Oh shit. They're building a new roller coaster. Holy crap. Look at those pieces over there. Oh my gosh. What is that all about? I had no idea that they were building another roller coaster. I kind of want to go look at that thing. Is that a construction worker over there? It looks like a fake person, but I highly doubt that's a fake person. And for those of you wondering why I might think that that would be a fake construction worker, is because I literally just got out of a haunted house that is no longer being used. So I'm kind of used to walking up on freaking mannequins and thinking they're real, but that literally looks like a freaking mannequin. Alright, well, this guy hasn't noticed me yet, so look at this. I mean, I'm no expert, but this thing looks fresh. This thing looks fresh out of the factory. Alright. Once again, I'm gonna get the heck out of here before I get into some trouble. Oh, I'm so curious. That is a mannequin. Yeah, it's a mannequin. Oh man. I think this is another haunted house.